Champagne from 1840s shipwreck. Analyzed bottles of champagne salvaged from a 170-year-old shipwreck have been tested in the lab by scientists seeking clues about historic winemaking methods. Among the results were very high levels of sugar, higher than most modern dessert wine, and traces of arsenic. 168 bottles were found 50 m beneath the Baltic Sea in July 2010, several of them unusually well preserved due to the stable, cold and dark conditions. Some of them sold at auction in 2011 for tens of thousands of euros. The new study, published in the journal PNAS, reports chemical and sensory analysis of the historic liquid. It was led by Prof Philippe Jeandet, from the University of Reims in Champagne-Ardenne, France. Prof Jeandet and his colleagues used various types of chemical analysis to compare the makeup of 3 bottles from the shipwreck, made by Veuve Cliquot, with bottles made recently by the same champagne house. He told the BBC he only got to taste 0.1 milliliters of the wine, as part of working with experts and winemakers at Veuve Cliquot to conduct the analysis. It was impossible to smell, Prof Jeandet said, because of the tiny quantities. But it was fabulous, just tasting 100 microliters. He remembers flavors of tobacco and leather, he said. The taste remained for 2 or 3 hours. As part of their analysis, Prof Jeandet's team found the wine's composition was surprisingly similar to the modern samples, with some notable differences. To begin with, there weren't many bubbles left. The CO2 remaining was less than 2 g per liter. If you compare to normal champagne, the CO2 in a bottle is around 10-11 g per liter, Prof Jeandet said. This was probably because the gas gradually escaped through the corks, he added. Apart from that loss of fizz, the conditions under the sea, the stable temperature of 2-4 C, relatively low salinity, low levels of light and high pressure, served the wine remarkably weak.